Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can remove your phone number from Instagram. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously be on your Instagram app, and from this point we are just going to hit our profile icon, which should take us to our profile. Once you get here, we are going to just hit the edit profile button, and this should give us some options as our name, username, website, bio, and we're going to select the last one, which is personal information settings. Now once you get here, you should be able to see your email address, your phone number, gender, and birthday. We're just going to select the phone number and basically just delete it, or just change it out if you want to change your phone number. Now we are going to hit next, and if we go, so basically after you deleted it and just hit next, your phone number should now be removed from your profile. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Hi guys, you just need to delete it out of your personal information settings, and that's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.